Hey everyone, Mark here at Seaway Hyundai. Let's have a look at this gorgeous Mitsubishi Eclipse crossover. Just arrived. Really nice vehicle. We haven't stocked too many of them, but we've got some coming. So overall, very happy with the look of this vehicle. You get lots of standard features, including Mitsubishi's all-wheel drive system, which is known to be very good. So we got a very good all-wheel drive system, really nice alloy wheels. You got the chrome around the windows, which makes it nice. You got the turn signal indicators, fog lights, so lots of standard features. This is the ES all-wheel drive package, as you can see. Overall, very nice. We like to do these videos to give complete transparency to our customers. Keep the mats back here until it's sold. So again, good sized trunk. Whoops, I dropped a mat. Good sized trunk. You got anchors on the seats. You've also got the ability to fold these seats down, 60-40 split. So again, some versatility there. So again, I'm going to throw the mats in here. Oh, sorry about that. All right, but really nice trunk. The way it opens too definitely gives you some additional space. Move up here. Some nice cloth seats, no rips or cuts or anything like that. Carpets are all in nice shape. You got a 120 volt back there. Power windows in the rear. Move into the front now. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You have locking rear windows as well. You have a manually adjustable seat, so everything adjusts on the seat. You have traction control, which you can shut off. You have a adjustable steering wheel as well. And you've seen the kilometers, low kilometers, which is awesome. Alrighty. I'm gonna crank up the air conditioning a little bit here, cool myself off. Let's see here, mode. I'm gonna go the mode button. There we go. So, hold on everyone. Apologize, we're gonna turn that down. I think my detailer was listening to some music. Okay, we shut the music down. So let's see what else we've got. We've got automatic headlights back here. You've got all your Bluetooth hands-free calling, voice recognition on the left-hand side with your volume controls. On the right-hand side is your cruise control. So again, all at the touch of the driver's fingertips, which is nice. You've got a little touch pad here. Let's see what I'm doing here. Okay, so this pad here controls this. So again, it's a touch screen, but you also get the pad. So touch screen and pad, so whichever one works better for you. Home button here brings you back to here, and you can toggle through some of the settings. Obviously Sirius XM, FM, your Bluetooth, your phone, your apps, all built right there. And you also have the buttons, and you can jump right to those screens. You have heated seats on both sides. You've got your four-wheel drive lock as well. So again, lots of standard features. Here's your temperature controls. You have active eco as well, so you can drive it in the most fuel-efficient way possible. Temperature controls easy laid out. You have obviously air conditioning, front and rear defrost. Very simplistic. Again, like we went over already, the touch screen here with a good sized backup camera. So again, lots of versatility. Cloth dash, everything in nice shape. Lots of versatility, all-wheel drive, because unfortunately we know winter is coming back. I don't want to believe it on a day like today, but it is. So those are the challenges we face in Canada. So again, we just looked at a gorgeous Mitsubishi Eclipse crossover all-wheel drive ES package. Don't miss out. Shop 24/7 at seawayhyundai.com. Call, text, or email us if you have any questions. And make sure you follow us on Facebook. It pays to follow us on Facebook. We're always giving tons of free giveaways like Yetis and all sorts of things. Again, we look forward to seeing you soon for your next new or pre-owned vehicle.